Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download the Photos Recovery app, which allows you to get back photos that were deleted. I don't care if they were recently deleted or if they're completely gone. Photos Recovery allows you to get them back, guys. No jailbreak needed for this and no computer, and it is totally free. I mean, this is pretty awesome. This stuff kind of comes around once a year. I mean, you don't really hear about these softwares, but this one works. So if you want to download it, go to Settings. If you're using an iPhone, go to General, go to Background App Refresh, and make sure that this is on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now, it doesn't matter, but make sure it's on one of those. So once you've done that, guys, we're going to go over to battery and make sure that low power mode is off. You know it's on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow. So make sure that the low power mode is turned off. Once you've done that, guys, go to App Store and make sure automatic downloads is turned on. This should be on by default, but if for some reason it is turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. So once you've done that, guys, we're going to go over to this website right here. There's a bunch of mods for apps and games. So this site's pretty insane. Once you're here, you will see there is a search bar. There is a bunch of stuff, but I'm a big search bar guy. I just like to search up the stuff because it is quick and it is easy. But as you can see, there are a bunch of apps on this site, and they have pretty high reviews as well. 5-star rating, support for iPhone, support for Android. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm just going to type in Photo Recovery just to show you guys how to download it. But you could also try other methods like just scrolling around the site until you see it. So there it is, Photos Recovery. And this is a 4.9 review, so I'd say it's pretty well designed and well reviewed. So in order to download it, guys, just go ahead and press on it, and then you just want to press the button that says download now. It's going to start to download onto your device. Now you just have to be patient. Don't leave the site. It's really the only thing that would probably screw this up. So just wait for it to load here. As you guys can see, it says processing. So I'd recommend having a decent internet connection, and it should work. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you guys can see. So this is pretty awesome. I have had a few photos that I accidentally got into the recently deleted and they were just gone. But this one, a few of them I was able to get back using this app. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely try this one out for yourself. Get the word out. I mean, this is pretty awesome. I've gotten back a lot of stuff I don't really want gone. I'm going to see you guys later and peace out.